What if I tell you that an AI can generate video and sound together, not separately, but perfectly synced like a real scene? When a wave crashes, you don't just see it, you hear it crash, and that's exactly what Kling 2.6 audio does. And today I'm going to show you how this new model is changing AI video creation completely.
Further.
Hey everyone, this is HUSAIN, and on this channel we talk about tools, technology and real workflows creators can actually use. In this video, I'm testing Higgsfield Kling 2.6 audio, a new AI model that generates visuals, voices and sound together in one single shot.
Our traditions define who we are. We have lived here for centuries.
You see our culture from the outside, but to understand Russia, you must feel the winter, the history, the spirit of this place.
It's bigger than anything I've ever seen.
I'll explain what this model is, why it's different, its pricing and offer, and then I'll do real-time generation step by step. So let's start. Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing AI video platform right now. Their main focus are creators, speed, quality and simple workflows. Now with Kling 2.6 audio, they introduce something new. This model doesn't just generate silent videos, it generates motion, atmosphere, visuals, sounds plus voices all together in one single generation. That means no separate sound design, no extra plugins, no external voiceover tools, everything comes together naturally. Earlier AI videos were mostly silent. You had to imagine the sound or edit later, but Kling 2.6 understands something important. If something looks loud, it should sound loud. If something feels soft, the sound should feel soft too. This is called audio-video cogeneration. Let me show you some examples. You can see ASMR style close-ups.
And winter is coming.
L'hiver arrive. Se acerca el invierno.
Der Winter kommt.
Dòng tiền giàu lái le.
सर्दी आ रही है.
Ambient sound scenes. Large cinematic destruction. High energy action sequences.
These are the bomb!
Actually, Jimmy, it's just basic ingredients.
Feastables, you are an artist!
They are better than Hershey's.
All with perfectly matched audio. Now this part is very important because Higgsfield is currently offering unlimited Kling 2.6 audio generation for users who subscribe Ultimate Plus plan by December 12th. Yes, unlimited. And if you compare pricing, Higgsfield is currently one of the lowest priced AI video platforms in the market. This makes it very attractive for creators, agencies, marketers, and filmmakers or teams producing videos at scale. Let's quickly talk about what this model can do. Audio is built in. You can generate video and sound together. You can turn audio off if you want a clean render, smoother movement, better camera paths, stable scenes. The model understands action, emotion, farming, and tone more accurately. Sharper faces, better details, and more realism. Now I will show you how this actually works. I'm inside the Higgsfield AI website. Here is the Kling 2.6 audio model. First, I'll explain how to prompt it properly. When you write a prompt, don't just describe visuals. Describe sound, texture, and feelings. For example, matter crinkling, pencil scratching paper, water pressure, and engine roaring. The more sensory details you add, the better results you get. Now let's generate ASMR scene.
This is the Higgsfield AI website, and here is Kling 2.6 audio and video model. Just click on it. And now there is a window where we can generate video and sound together. Here you can choose preset, new, viral effects and UGC content type. After that you can upload your image, but this is optional. And here is you write a prompt. I have already, so I just paste it. So now I have pasted the prompt, and this is audio and also this model and duration and aspect ratio. After all these things, just generate.
Time to make some noise. Time to make some noise.
This is the result we get, and now I have another prompt, so let's try. And now this time I use duration 10 seconds and just generate.
Notice something important here? The sound matches the motion, reacts to touch, feels close and physical. Now look at the larger scenes.
Roar of destruction.
The audio scale changes automatically. That's where Kling 2.6 audio really shine. From quiet ASMR to full cinematic cues. Before we end, I want to remind you again, Higgsfield is offering unlimited Kling 2.6 audio generation on the Ultimate Plus plan available by December of 12. For creators who experiment a lot, this is a big deal. So overall, Kling 2.6 audio feels like a big step forward. If you are a creator who wants to faster workflows, built-in audio, and realistic AI scenes, this model is definitely worth testing. All the prompts used in this video are available at the link in the description. Thanks for watching. This is HUSAIN and don't forget to subscribe our channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.